the microphone and have fun. Give it up!
Hey everyone, my name is June. I'm a singer-songwriter from Chicago. I'm studying at UVA this semester, and I've just been doing open mics and performances around Amsterdam. Super excited to be here. It's a really nice, intimate, cozy place, so hopefully my music can resonate here. A little bit about myself. I do a lot of visual art and creative writing, so I like to base my music on what I make as like inspiration, so it can get a little weird, but it's also like singer-songwriter course, so it's relatable and it's weird, just like everyone. My first song is called Little Bit of Nothing. Warm pasta on a frozen lake. I might eat it if you don't, my dear. A flower ring wrapped around your finger. I might steal it if you don't wear it here. A shady text from your ex asking if your mouth is moist, and you'll open it to feel again. It's the little bit of nothing that keeps us going, us going. It's the little bit of nothing that keeps us knowing and showing up to play again. Hide and seek with your mom, sneaking underneath the couch and never ever coming out. Holding ice in your hand, letting water hit the floor and staining it because you're bored. On the street in the heat that's not getting any taller. Why'd you ask me? No, it doesn't bother. It's the little bit of nothing that keeps us going, us going. It's the little bit of nothing that keeps us knowing and showing up to play again. Do you hear that sound? Place your head against the ground. Do you hear that sound? Place your head against the ground. It's the little bit of nothing that keeps us going, us going. It's the little bit of nothing that keeps us knowing it's showing up to play again, 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 again. Ooh, again, 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 again. Thank you. This next song is about, it's a very uncommon singer-songwriter topic, it's unrequited love. But yeah, this is a very personal song. I wrote it about somebody that I was like seeing long distance. It's gonna get a little personal right now. I was seeing someone long distance, and then we stopped seeing each other when I came abroad to Amsterdam. So this song has a whole new meaning now, so just keep in mind my personal details while I'm singing this song. Oh, wrong key. How's everyone doing?
Great.
Yeah? Me too. Today I sat in a park on a rock and just stared at you for hours and hours. The way your eyes unfolded me and crinkled when I spoke exactly on me. Or when we went inside that giant white tent, we were watching a concert that played in our head. I'd rather be a cut on your edges than I'm painting a picture of you in my mind. I'd rather be hearing your static than thinking my name is fading with time. The shade takes the crowd shakes And I'm sitting in flowers, wishing you'd give me a call. We were pigeons on wires, secretly hoping you'd fall. I think too much, it hurts. I pick apart your every word. Like when you called me pretty, I was scared, that was something I never heard. Or when you went to kiss me in the car, I tried not to feel it, I knew we'd be far. I'd rather be cutting your edges than painting a picture of you in my mind. I'd rather be hearing your static than thinking my name is fading with time. The shade takes the crowd shakes, and I'm sitting in flowers, wishing you'd give me a call. We were pigeons on wires, secretly hoping we'd fall. We'd fall. We fall. We fall. We fall. Thank you. That was called Pigeons on Wires. Yeah, my next song is a little bit of a vibe change. This is one of these songs that I wrote basically directly from a story I wrote, which makes it very lyrical. It's about a character, maybe me, who gets transported to another dimension by an alien playing the piano. That's crazy. But yeah, it's fun, it's funny, I hope you enjoy it. Actually, that's also the wrong key. This is called Keystomping. I've been having the strangest of days. I wanna go play the piano, but something's getting in my way. Every time my fingers touch on the keys, a speckled creature bites me with his teeth. He hops on the piano when he stomps out a beat. He tells me that all that you know is walking out that door. The things that you see will bring you to your knees. What can you do when things change for you? I feel a stirring in my chest from his sounds. I try to ask him what he's doing, but my words cannot be found. He's playing faster and faster, my head starts to spin. The lights start to flicker and in comes the wind. I fall to my knees and raise up my chin, but the creature he's playing his notes with a grin. He laughs. All that you know is walking out that door. The things that you see will bring you to your knees. What can you do when things change for you? The house is shifting and I don't know what to do. I don't recognize the view. The The colors are changing, my mind is rearranging. I ask him what he's doing, he won't tell me it's true. When he tells me all that you know is walking out that door, the things that you see will bring you to your knees. What can you do when things change for you? I put my hand on the door and twist the knob. The door swings open and the floor meets my jaw. Outside the colors are bright, and it's the middle of the night. The shapes are uncertain, my eyes are a curtain. What is this place? What have I done? Across the world I run and run. Where will I go? What will I do if nothing that I know is true? Is true.
Thank you. Yeah, this next song is the first song I ever wrote. I wasn't gonna play it tonight, but it just seems like it's the vibe, so we're gonna experiment. This is called "Wish I Minded." It's about when you wish that you cared more about somebody in a relationship. Yeah, here we go.
We're holding on to the side of the car. I don't know if I recognize this place. From a distance, thought your face would shed a tear in that park where we first met. And I was disappointed how quickly my body knew yours. Seats of leather and that jungle gym were fun. We were silent when we were through. I wish I minded. I wish I minded. I wish I minded. I wish I did. I'm driving steady through this swirling fog. I cannot see headlights. I cannot get home. Many times I tried to tell you now, but you still pull me closer, place your hand upon my knee when you talk. Oh, echoes fly in and out your ears, simple words turn into lies. I see you there, but your eyes, they didn't seem to care. I minded. I wish I minded. I wish I minded. I wish I did.
Thank you.